Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It is day number 6. We are not actually rushing through December. We haven't even got through the first week, but we are up to door number 6 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. Let's see, Emma's here to help us open it up. Let's see what we're building today. I love doing a build every single day. Oh, it's a Christmas stocking, a buildable Christmas stocking. Let's get that out and let's start building it. All right, lots and lots of red and white. And where do we start? So always this struggle to figure out where we're going to start. So we need these two pieces at the bottom of the foot of the stocking. Is that the foot of the stocking? The bottom. And we are going to stack them on top of each other. And then we need our little roundedy ovary pieces. And this is starting to look pretty good already. And a couple of these little uppy twoey ones. You know, I know these have proper names. I have no idea what they are. And we're definitely looking really good now. We need a little white rim for the top of the stocking. And it's looking really good. Now we just need something to make it into an ornament so we can actually hang it from the tree. We smooth it over with the purple pieces and we put some foliage on the front, and it is so festive, and we even get an extra little red flower. Oh, that's so cute. In fact, it matches Emma perfectly. I did not plan that. Let's put our hangy string on it, also known as ribbon, and now Emma can take it over to the tree and hang it up. It can join all the other ornaments on the tree. There's a likely spot. Oh, I just love Christmas so much. I love Christmas trees. I love Christmas lights. And these little ornaments are just fantastic. That's so beautiful. We have built number 6. Let's do tomorrow. I'll see you here same time tomorrow for door number 7. So I'll see you then.